Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Johnny's restaurant. I'm Johnny. Welcome to here again. And do you like kimchi? I like the kimchi also. There's a lot of things, more than 108 kind of the kimchi. But today I'll let you know the cabbage kimchi, cubed cabbage kimchi with cucumber and the spring onion. That's my favorite because you know that if you follow my step my cooking. Okay, let's go. Here we go. That's all. I introduce the ingredient first. 300 grams cucumber, this Asian one. Teeny tiny spring onion, very thin one. This one is buchu. Korean leek, you can find Asian grocery also. And main menus, cabbage 350 grams. Yeah, just this much for one person. It's a stone, very wide salt. And that one is salted shrimp. The for kimchi you can find the Asian grocery also. And crushed garlic, 2 spoons. Ginger powder or ginger juice. Chili powder. And sugar. First, we need to stream the cabbage. Take out inside one and outside also. And put in the water. Well, you know that cabbage is really spicy if you're using the fresh one. And there's a 2 pinch of white salt. Just put on the top. And just 1 pinch white salt, mix up. And 2 pinch, 1, 2. Alright. We're almost done. We just take out the water from those cabbage and cut the cube style and mix up with lots of the Korean spice and garlic. That's a lot to not lot. To follow me. The cabbage one. Where everything almost done, the final step, just mix up. The first, the water is not too much drawn out, so you can use a dryer, hand dryer. Well, it can take more time, more than 10 minutes. Almost what? First, we need the chop before the mix up. The salty shrimp. Alright, everything here. And then you know last ingredient. How can mix up? Just with 50 gram. The homemade chili powder, the soft one and the white one already mixed up. And 5 spoon, need a 5 spoon, that is 50 gram. And sugar. That's it. Using the hand. Okay. Well done. Just done. The final step is done. I tasted. Not too much salty, fresh pepper and ginger smell also. And just I bought the big honey jar, the ASEAN style. I think need more. Anyway, I put it here. We keep this jar because the protect from the air. The kimchi doesn't need the air, so I bring that one and keep inside also. Alright, I fill up this honey glass Asian one jar, but you can use the Ziploc. You can find anywhere. The square one or round one. I recommend the Ziploc also, yeah, on one step and protect it with air. So okay, in here. And bring the wrap. Well done, well done. Everything's done. So for one person for a week. And we have to protect from the air. The kimchi doesn't need it. Our oxygen, because the oxygen makes it bad smell, bad taste. So I bring the wrap and cover. Wow. And just to keep in outside, just a normal temperature, and 6 hours or 4 hours to make it more shallow and beautiful tasty. Then after that, you can keep in your free refrigeration. Anyway, I test it now. Wow, now it's a happy time. I tested myself. Wow, a little bit spicy, but I like that little bit spicy. You have to test it, you have to make it this size in your home. You can make a show for your friend to gift. See that? Very easy, not too much expensive one. Every ingredient very cheap. Let's test. And then you can explain about the Korean kimchi history like the Vietnam War. Very so sorry about that, but everything's now is better everywhere. Now everybody is Vietnam guys, Korean guys, is happiness and smile. So I recommend this one myself. Anyway, next time I bring the new menu, and I'm not sure because it depends on you. If you follow me every time, I show the lots of the things, beautiful one, and I recommend that you can create your own kimchi, your favorite something cabbage or something vegetable mix up, make sure like me. Then this kind of the seasoning will be working well. Anyway, thank you so much for visiting my restaurant again. Thank you so much for viewing. See you later.